Welcome to the Data Analytics Masterclass, where we move from data to decisions. You will learn to collect and manage data, clean real-world data, explore data statistically and visually, build predictive models, design dashboards, and communicate insights to decision makers. We will cover Excel, SQL, Power BI, and Python. Data analytics follows a life cycle with 6 interconnected stages. We start with data collection, followed by cleaning and preparation. Next is exploration and analysis, which leads to modeling and advanced analytics. The final stages are storytelling and visualization, leading to communication and decisions. Analytics matures from descriptive, answering what happened, to prescriptive, which addresses what we should do, and predictive, which anticipates the future. Finally, cognitive analytics learns and adapts continuously. We'll use different tools for each type, from Excel and SQL for descriptive work to Python and AI for advanced modeling. Stage 1, data collection. Every analysis begins by finding, connecting, and acquiring data from diverse sources like surveys, databases, and APIs. We handle different data formats, volumes, and velocities, utilizing ETL or ELT pipelines, APIs, web scraping, and native database connectors for reliable data retrieval. Stage 2 is data cleaning and preparation, where analysts spend most of their time. We fix missing values, remove duplicates, correct wrong data types, handle outliers, manage inconsistent formats, and standardize data using tools like Power Query, SQL, and Python's Pandas and NumPy. Stage 3 is exploratory data analysis, or EDA. This is where we interrogate the data using descriptive statistics, visualize distributions with histograms and box plots, perform correlation analysis, and use pivot tables or SQL to aggregate and slice data. We also explore time series data to identify trends and seasonality. Stage 4 focuses on modeling and advanced analytics. This is where we build predictive intelligence, using model types like regression for continuous values, classification for categories, and clustering for grouping. Model evaluation ensures accuracy, while advanced techniques include time series forecasting and leveraging AI, and deep learning. Stage 5, data storytelling and visualization, transforms numbers into compelling narratives. Key design principles include clarity over decoration, one idea per chart, and annotating the so what. We choose the right charts, follow dashboard design best practices, and avoid chart junk to communicate effectively. Stage 6 is communication and decision-making. We drive impact by structuring insights using BLUF, tailoring our message for technical teams, management, and the C-suite, and using appropriate report formats. We also need frameworks for data-driven decisions and strategies for handling pushback to build a strong data culture. The Analyst's Toolkit consists of 4 powerful tools. Excel is the foundation for quick analysis and financial models. SQL is the query engine for querying large databases and building reusable data. Power BI is the storyteller for interactive dashboards. Python is the powerhouse for advanced ML and automation. The data field offers various career paths. Data analysts clean, explore, and visualize data. Data scientists build statistical and machine learning models. Data engineers architect and maintain data infrastructure. BI developers specialize in enterprise dashboards, and AI/ML engineers deploy models into production. Bringing it all together, the goal is to turn data into insight. The process follows 6 steps: collect, clean, explore, model, visualize, and communicate. This masterclass is designed to help you start your data analytics journey using the essential toolkit: Excel, SQL, Power BI, and Python.